Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How Logical. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Alabama sales tax portal. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your preferred browser and your default search engine. Then search Alabama sales tax login. Then go to My Alabama Taxes or go to myalabamataxes.alabama.gov. Once the page has been loaded up, enter your username and enter your password. To confirm your password, you can click here. Once you have entered your login credentials, press sign in. Then you should be able to access Alabama sales tax login portal. If you have forgot your username or password, you can get help by clicking Forgot Username or Password. Or you can create new account by clicking Create My Alabama Taxes account. This was for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.